Is it a bad thing that I'm declaring war against drugs? Ayun yung question dyan. So, bakit sobrang allergic sila sa platform na yan? It was a popular platform by the former president. And it still is a popular platform. Because the question is, sino bang gusto maging pangag o gusto maging kamag-anak mo, kapatid mo, mga tao sa communities nyo maging pangag? So that's why, as a local executive, in order for me to protect my citizens, either figuratively or literally, I will say that this city, or my city, is against it and is at war with drugs.
Hindi hinto, sir, ang walang drugs sa Davao. Hindi po hihinto. Tutuloy-tuloy natin.
Well, you know, it's a declaration. It's either you take it figuratively or literally. It is supposed to deter from individuals to go into that kind of activity. No, di ba kayo tapos?
Fred Balanos from GV7. Ano po ang gusto nating ibigay na connotation sa ating movement with the name Maisog? And ano ang pinupunto natin ito sa hinaharap?
Well, you know, like I said earlier, tinawag siya na Maisog kasi we are facing not really an opponent. Hindi naman kalaban talaga, pero people or a person in the pinaka-mataas na posisyon sa bansa natin. But it's not really, you know, kung ako lang, it's not really to oppose him, it's to communicate with him. Yun ang gina-establish natin dito because we believe that we are not being heard. And nakikita nyo naman na hindi kami nakakapag-establish ng mga rallies just recently sa mga pinupuntahan namin. And it seems that they don't want to hear us talaga. So, and you know, it's not an easy thing. Hindi madali para for a group or for an individual to establish communication. The highest, the person in the highest position. That's why it's Maisog. Matapang ba? Kung sa Tagalog ba?
Mayor Baste, Mr. Police. Ang mga Duterte ay kilala po natin sa talagang galit sa mga drogista, kuwan drug, si Tatay Digong. Ngayon po ay mainit ang issue sa Senado patungkol sa PDLX at maraming mga Pilipino po ang sumisigaw na dapat magpa-hair follicle drug test po si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ano po ang inyong masasabi dito?
Actually, I will suggest that let the Senate do their job. Tapos tingnan nyo, because you voted for these people. Yung mga nasa Senado natin ngayon. Lagay nyo yan dyan, then tingnan and observe and listen to them, and tingnan nyo kung ano ang contribution nila sa issue. So, pagdating ng sunod election, mas kilala nyo na yung mga senador na yan. So, tandaan nyo na lang kung anong ginagawa nila ngayon, lalong-lalo na may mainit tayo na issue.
Okay, limit po tayo sa last 3 question. Nag-aantay na yung
Sige, okay.
So last 3 questions from the media.
Follow up lang, Mayor Basi. Kailangan bang magkaroon ng hair follicle drug test si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos?
That's up to him. That's up to him. I cannot say that kailangan or not, you know, that's up to him. It can be a personal choice for him.
Thank you so much.
Mayor, Jerwin po from K5 News at Tacloban. Na-mention po niyo po kanina nga about po sa yung plano po ng maisog ay para maipalabas po ang yung hinaing at saka para magkamayroon po kayo ng ano ba to? Hindi magka-communicate kayo. So mayroon bang hakbang ang ginagawang maisog para magkaroon kayo ng communication between you and President Bongbong Marcos?
Well, sana pansin ko lang on how they respond to sa mga demonstration na ginagawa namin. Like for example, ngayon na they have an idea kung saan yung next rally. I think the only communication that he gave us was he pointed the finger to my father, the former president, na walang nagawa dito sa Tacloban. I think that's his way of communicating to us.
Thank you, Mayor.
Okay, last question.
So wala nang unity. Wala nang unity.
Let him answer that for you. Sila yung matubag-anak. Sila yung matubag-anak.
Mayor, pwede hirit isa na lang. During the rally sa Davao, sinabi mo na parang naghihimutok ka dahil your father pinayagan ipalibing si former President Marcos. And then this time, parang hindi rin ibibigay yung nare-reciprocate ba yung mga ginawa nyo sa past kay ngayong presidente compared sa ginawa ng tatay mo?
Gusto ko lang balikan yung yung mga statements ko when I first came out noong January. I think kung gusto niya lang talaga ayusin itong problema na ito, pwede niyang gawin yan. Pwede niyang gawin talaga. Yun lang, kasama doon nga sa rally namin, kami anti-war. So, we do not like foreign military activities within our territory. Yan, medyo mahirap dyan. Pero, I do not know. But kung ako talaga, I want all of this to end. Kasi kung ako lang yun, I do not know kung ano na to sa tatay ko, I do not know sa kanila. I just want this to end. I just want to unit team, mas maganda sana. Nandyan pa yung unit team. Like, let's see. We will always, you know, like, choose peace over conflict. It's para sa lahat natin. Para sa buong bansa.
Thank you everyone for coming.
Thank you.
Si Mayor Paseg, ibisita sa North Hill. For those media who want to cover, pupunta po tayo doon.
Go!
Ayan. Late kayo ba, no?
Bay!
Late kayo ba?
Paliw ko gugulit ko ba? Ako sa labi, nabili
Sige, guys.